Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Ramadan Mubarak. If you're wondering what to eat for suhoor and iftar to stay energized, hydrated, and avoid that post-iftar food coma, you're in the right place. As your friendly dietitian, well, at least for today, I'll break down the best foods to eat, what to avoid, and how to make the most of your fast without feeling tired or sluggish. Let's get started! Think of suhoor as your energy booster for the whole day. It's got to be smart. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and seeds give slow-burning energy. Complex carbs, oats, whole wheat bread, and brown rice keep blood sugar stable. Protein-packed foods, eggs, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese keep you full longer. Hydrating fruits and veggies, bananas, cucumbers, and spinach prevent dehydration. Water, drink plenty, your body will thank you later. Foods to avoid in suhoor. Salty and processed foods. They make you thirstier and bloated. Sugary cereals and pastries. Quick energy now, but a crash later. Caffeine like coffee or tea. It dehydrates you, making fasting harder. After fasting all day, you deserve a meal that nourishes, not drains you. Start with dates and water. Sona plus a natural energy boost equals the perfect start. Soups and light starters like lentil soup or bone broth are easy on the stomach. Slow-releasing carbs such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, or sweet potatoes. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, lentils, or beans for muscle recovery. Fresh vegetables and salads keep digestion smooth with fiber-rich greens. And don't forget healthy fats. Nuts, olive oil, and seeds for long-lasting energy. Foods to avoid in iftar. Fried and greasy foods. Yes, samosas and pakoras taste amazing, but they slow you down. Sugary drinks and desserts. Soda and sweets spike your blood sugar, leaving you exhausted. Overeating. I know, it's tempting, but ease in with small portions first. Stay hydrated. Drink water consistently after iftar. Get light movement. A post-iftar walk does wonders. Listen to your body. Eat slowly and enjoy every bite. And that's a wrap. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's your go-to suhoor or iftar meal? Let's share ideas. Until next time, stay healthy, stay blessed, and have an amazing Ramadan. Visual outro music plus subscribe button animation.